I just got back from YouTube's Holiday House event where they shared some of the trending gift ideas for this upcoming holiday shopping season. And this is a little bit outside of my normal exercise and physical therapy videos, but I figured no matter who you are, no matter what type of videos you like to watch, it's very likely that you are going to be doing some shopping this holiday season. And there's some gift ideas for just about anyone on your list here. So I'll give you a quick preview. Now, if you didn't catch all of that, we'll go through each item one by one. But let's first start out with kind of the red carpet, who are you wearing type of thing. This is a J. Crew sweater. It's a really nice knit fabric with a nice interwoven design. It's very warm, very comfortable. We take that off. There's a layer underneath it. This is a Heat Tech turtleneck from Uniqlo. And what's really nice about it is it's kind of like stocking thin, but it's very warm. So you don't need a lot of bulk to keep you warm if you're working outside, exercising outside, or just want kind of a mid-range between a heavy sweater and a t-shirt. If we take that off, there's one more layer below that. This is a t-shirt from Kim Kardashian's Skims brand. It's a really nice cotton fabric. And then these are stretch chinos by Izod. So now we'll get into the actual bags, but before digging into them, I want to tell you a little bit about the bags themselves. This one is a tote bag from Crocs, and it's actually made from Crocs material. You can see the little holes in here, kind of like a Crocs sandal. Almost exactly the same material. I did have to carry this back from the event as a carry-on bag, and it did fit nicely in an overhead. It's not really meant to be a carry-on bag, but if you do have to take it to a beach vacation or something like that, it does fit in an overhead bin. And then this is a rolling suitcase, but it actually has the feel of like a shopping bag. If you've ever been to IKEA and saw their big blue bags or big yellow bags, it's kind of the same material as that. I had to check this on the plane home, and I wasn't quite certain if it would hold up, but it came out fine. Nothing inside was damaged, and the bag itself wasn't damaged either. It has 4 wheels, and it rolled nicely through the airport, which was nice because I had my hands full. And it has 2 straps right here where you can lift it up, as well as one where you can drag it along or pull it behind you. So those were the bags. Now getting into them, some of the more urgent ones. If you are looking at getting one of these Revolve advent calendars, these have makeup for 12 days or 25 days. My understanding is these sold out within 2 weeks of when they became available last year. So if you are going to get these, I would suggest clicking on the product link and jumping on them right away. They may not be available by the time you see this. So if you do see it available, I would suggest getting on these right away. But these are actually pretty neat looking. My wife and daughter dug into these right away, but you open it up and it has the look of an advent calendar. So you unbox one makeup or beauty product every day for 12 days or for 25 days. So a little more fun than a piece of chocolate. I think these are about 75% off the retail price. If you are going to add up all of the unique different things that are inside of them, it's about 25% of the cost as buying each of them one by one. So these are probably the most urgent items in the basket. If you do want those, get on those right away. Next, there's some bowl covers from Julie Peach, and there's 3 different sizes here. These are great for covering things in the refrigerator if you don't want to keep having to use saran wrap or aluminum foil. They're 100% cotton. They're washable, environmentally friendly. You can also use them if you're making bread or making kombucha to cover it to allow the yeast to rise or to allow it to ferment. These were probably my personal favorite things in there. These are smart headphones from Samsung, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And I actually have a Samsung phone. They connect via Bluetooth to the phone, and you just put them right in your ears like that. You can actually turn the volume up or volume down just by swiping on the back there. I think they are compatible with just about any tablet, whether it's a Samsung. I think they're probably even compatible with an iPhone or just a regular tablet. They have active noise canceling, and I was surprised as I'm recording this here, there's crickets chirping outside. And I put the earphones in and I became unaware of the crickets. But they also have an adaptive feature for when you need to be more aware of your surroundings. They can allow more or less ambient noise in. So if you're driving and you need to be aware of traffic, or if you need to be aware of when someone talks to you, they can adjust to the sounds around you to allow noise in, or you can manually set how much ambient noise you want to allow in. So these were the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Next is a waist pack from REI. It just fits in a little travel bag like this, so you can throw it in your glove compartment, have it wherever you need to go, and then when you do need to take it out, you just pull it out of the pouch. And now you've got a fanny pack for your outdoor adventures. It just clips on around your waist right there, and you adjust the waist strap to whatever size you want it. Next, a few less exciting things, but things that pretty much anyone on your list could use, particularly if they're of an aging population. This one is an omega-3 fish oil supplement, has great cardiovascular benefits, anti-inflammatory benefits, great for joints, vision, mental health, cognitive function. Now, just a disclaimer, I can't tell you that you'll experience any or all of those benefits, but those are general known benefits of fish oil. This is collagen. Collagen is the biggest structural protein in your body, and supplementing with collagen has been shown to have benefits for skin or even for joints, for example, osteoarthritis. But again, I can't make any guarantees as to what you will or will not experience personally. And then this is the Lactobif 30 probiotic. All of these supplements were from California Gold. Probiotics are good for promoting the good bacteria in your gut and helping to promote gut health. So that was bag number one. Now, before moving on to bag number two, there are a few things for kids as well, because that's really what the holidays are all about anyway, right? So here's some craft gifts. This one is a ceramic paint by numbers. It has all the things included in it, the paints, the paint brushes, and the ceramic. This one is a flower pot. This is an acrylic paint by numbers, so it's a rainbow one. And again, it has all the materials that you need included. Paints, paint brushes, the acrylic piece, and then a stand for it. And then when you finish, you've got a nice window hang. And then a canvas paint by numbers. This one is a waterfall scene, and it has all the materials included in it as well. And then this one can be for either kids or adults if you are crafty. There's a paint party, so it comes with 4 different canvases, and you can invite friends over and have a painting and wine party. Or if you have several kids, you can give one to each of your kids or grandkids and let them play with it. So now we'll move on to bag number 2. And again, this bag by Hulken. This was a really nice travel bag. It just unzips like this over the top, and it can actually fold up once we have everything outside of it. The first thing in here, this is a handbag by Madewell. This is a nice over-the-shoulder bag. It has a magnetic closure on the top, so it just pulls open like that, magnet shut. Little strap here because it is sort of a thin suede material where it pulls out like this, and if you don't have it clipped, it can go really wide. So this is a very nice quality bag. Next, we'll get into makeup, and there's a lot of makeup. I'm not even going to be able to pretend to be an expert on these, but these are all from Fenty, Rihanna's brand. So here is a lip gloss, lip balm set. If you want to check these out, just check the description links. I'm not even going to pretend to be able to tell you about these. A Fenty conditioner and heated protective styler. Fenty skin cream. These are from Laneige lip balm and sleep masks. Retinol green tea firming facial serum. A Fenty gloss balm stack with 3 different colors of gloss balm. Perfumes from fragrance.com. More Laneige skin cream and facial sleeping masks. A scented candle from Quince with scents of pomegranate, black plum, and patchouli. A Christmas ornament from Craft Spring. This one has a little cup of tea on a saucer. that hangs right on the Christmas tree. This is a really nice puffer overnight bag. You can put makeup in it or just your toothbrush if you are traveling. And I put some of the additional makeup in here. These are Trace Out Lip Pencils by Fenty, Gloss Balm by Fenty, a fragrance aromatizer by fragrance.com, where you can put a small amount of perfume in it if you're traveling and you don't want to take a whole bottle. Glow Reviver Lip Oil by e.l.f. Lip Elixir by Sacheu. Pout Peptide Lip Treatment by Ole Henriksen. And that's it for the travel bag. Banana Bright Eye Cream for bags under the eyes, also by Ole Henriksen. This is a Shark Glossy. It's a 2-in-1 hairstyling tool. It has both a fan and ceramic plates. So it's kind of like combining a hair curler with a blow dryer with a brush all in the same device. So you can use it to smooth and straighten your hair or add curl and volume and shape to it. These are makeup brushes of various sizes by BK Beauty. A green tea hydrating facial cream by Innisfree. A vitamin C moisturizing gel by Dr. Driss, and a Claude Monet themed perfume set. Now some more stuff for the kids. This is a diamond art kit. You just pop the little gemstones in and it comes out to a shape of a painting. This one is a bubble pop. This one I think is really cool. This is a little Hugz. It's a little stuffed animal inside a tube. Pull it out like this, and it comes with its own birth certificate. But don't let it fool you. This is actually somewhat heavy. This is a kilogram or 2.2 pounds. It's designed to mimic the feel of a hug, and it's supposed to be calming for kids with anxiety. It has glass beads inside, and you can throw it in the freezer for cool therapy or throw it in the microwave for a little while for heat therapy, along with just the weight, kind of like a weighted blanket and a stuffed animal all in one. And this is a little toolbox from Kobalt. You can use it as a small toolkit. For example, a teenager who's going off to college and just needs a very basic hammer, screwdriver, things like that. Or you can use it as a craft box. You open it up and it has little dividers inside where you can store art supplies for a younger child. So those were the trending holiday gift ideas from YouTube Shopping. If you'd like more information about any of these, click the related product link to learn more about it.